guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. It's been a while. I hope you guys have missed me, and thank you to everyone who has, stuck around and is still subscribed to my channel. How have you been? Just how have you been? Leave a comment below and let me know what's new, what is it that you are grateful for, because that's pretty much what I'm going to be sharing about today. I don't want to call this video a life update because it's not really a life update, but it's just kind of me sharing what what has been on my heart of late. Alright, so first things first, your girl is graduating this year. Finally, I am done with my studies, well, until further notice. If you have been following me on my channel for a while, you'll know that I've been doing this tertiary education thing for about 7 years. Actually, it's not about 7 years, for 7 years, since 2012 to 2014 I did my diploma, and then I did a 2 years of a 4-year bachelor's degree program in theatre arts, still in Canada as well. And then because of life, I just decided, you know what, let me transfer back home, and I came to complete my degree here. Unfortunately, they pushed me back a year, so I had to do 3 years instead of like completing and doing like just 2 more years. So honestly, that's been all I've known pretty much. And I'm now at a point where I have to start thinking ahead and thinking, what's next? What's next now that I'm not studying? I don't have a plan of studying further right now. I think I'm just mentally and emotionally exhausted from the whole school setup, and I just want to kind of just take a break, and maybe not a break, just I just want to step away from the academics for now because I'm tired. So I'm now at a point where I'm like, what now? And I feel like it's an okay place to be. I feel like I'm still young. I'm only 24, and this is, for me, it's a time for me to sit with myself and just be like, okay, this is what you wanted to do. Is this still what you want to do? Or do you want to explore other things? For the longest time, I've only identified as an actress. And for the first time in a long time, I am allowing myself to explore other sides to me, explore other passions, whether it be trying out, starting a business of my own. I want to give that a try. I want to just explore myself and figure myself out and just see what it is that I actually am about. Like I said, I've always identified as just an actress. So even in me studying theater, I studied theater because I wanted to learn more about being an actress and acting. But when I got there, I found that there's so many other things to this industry that kind of caught my eye, and I feel like I want to explore every part of myself, and this is the perfect time for me to do that. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I feel like a lot of people tend to want to box you into one thing. When you tell people that you're studying one thing, say you're studying law, for example. I don't know why I picked law, but we'll just go with that for now. You're studying law, and they automatically assume that that is all you are about, and that is the career path that you want to follow. It might be for some people, but it doesn't mean that that is all that you are. Some people might want to study law, but then later on want to go into farming, want to go into, doing makeup or journalism or something else, and that's okay. And I feel like I'm discovering that now because I myself am realizing what I actually do have other passions. And so the question of what's next, I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm excited to figure out who I really am. I like to sometimes tell people that I'm like an onion and multi-layered, and I'm at a point in my life right now where I just want to discover the different layers to me. I want to sit with myself and actually just think, Okay, Mumsie, who is Mumsie? What makes Mumsie who she is? You know, is Mumsie just a theater artist? Is Mumsie only a YouTuber? Is Mumsie only a church girl? Like, is that all she is? And I feel like the answer to that is no. But the only way that I'll be able to figure that out is if I take time with myself and I actually sit and think about it and explore these things. If I don't like something while I'm exploring, while I'm in this state of, figuring things out and testing the waters, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay to just be like, actually, this doesn't, I don't really want this. It doesn't make you seem indecisive. And I feel like at the age that I'm at, it's okay. It's okay for me to be at this point, and I'm content with that. I'm not saying that I'm clueless about what I want to do. I know that I do want to act. I know that I do want to do YouTube. That I know. But I also want to know, what else can I do? Because I don't want to be boxed in. I don't want to be the girl in the wheelchair who, is an actress. I don't want to just be that. I want to be so much more, and I know that I can be so much more. And you too, watching this, you can be so much more. You don't have to conform to what society wants you to be. You don't have to conform to the idea, you have to be one thing. You have to focus on one thing. If that's your thing, and if that's what you feel like is best for you, then cool, stick with one thing. But if you want to try other things and it works for you and you're able to juggle it and it makes you happy, that's fine. Do what makes you happy. Society will confuse the life out of you. Everybody has their own path, their own journey, and their own desires. Do not make the mistake of living your life based off of what so-and-so said, or the idea that you need to be. Live your life. Live your life. If it's not hurting anyone, it's not hurting you. If you are happy and you are able to juggle everything that you want to do, then go for it. That is where I'm at right now. That is the point in my life where I'm at. The answer to the question, what's next after graduation, only God knows. And I'm excited for him to reveal that to me. I know I'm gonna make mistakes. We all make mistakes. And that's okay. I'm only 24. Allow me to make my mistakes. So that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, this video is not a life update, but in a sense you kind of got a mini life update. But I also hope that you guys heard what I was saying and that it resonated with somebody. And if you feel like there's somebody that needs to hear this, please do feel free to just share this video with them. Let's connect. Tell me, if you are graduating, do you have a plan? Or if you have graduated, when you graduated, did you actually have a set plan? And is that really what you're doing now? Or have things shifted? I'm very curious. Let's just have that conversation. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Super thankful and appreciative for everybody who supports me on this channel. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Do subscribe and stick around and join the family. And let's just build a bond. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.